Now after that, now see how to prove this type of question. Suppose the question is written simplify. Simplify. It is written sine 2 theta upon 1 minus cos 2 theta. And the question is saying simplify. So you will see sine 2 theta. The angle is appear 2 theta. So sine 2 theta we can write 2 sine theta dot cos theta upon 1 minus cos 2 theta. So it is 2 sine square theta. So 2 and 2 cancel, sine and sine cancel. It's cos upon sine which gives cot theta. If this formula can be changed like sine 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta. So sine 2 theta, 2 sine theta cos theta and 1 plus cos 2 theta, again it is plus, so we write 2 cos square theta. When minus, result is coming in sine, plus this 2 and 2 cancel, cos cancel, it's tan theta. If suppose this question is written 1 plus cos 2 theta 1 minus cos 2 theta, if this is a result and the question is saying simplify, so 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta and 2 sin square theta. When plus cos, when minus, this 2 and 2 cancel, it's cot square theta. If suppose this question is written like 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now this is not in square root, it is in square root. Again, when you simplify, the result is coming in square root of cos square theta which gives cot theta. So this is the way we can solve. This is the way we can simplify the sums. Now some more questions. These are the some basics. Suppose a question is written, as you know, sine 2a, 2 sine a, cos a. So this is in product. This can be write like 2 cos a dot sine a. We can write in this manner also. There is no harm to write cos first and sine after. So if the question saying evaluate, question saying evaluate like this, it is 2 sine 2 cos 22 1 by 2 sine 22 1 by 2. Question saying evaluate 22 1 by 2 means 22 1 by 2, it's 45 by 2, half of 45. So this angle is A, for a time being it is A, it is also A, the same angle is appear. So this is 2 cos A sin A. This formula is framing here 2 cos A sin A, 2 cos A sin A, the formula is sin 2A, sin 2A. So sin 2 in place of A, that is 45 by 2 is 22 1 by 2. So in place of A we can write 45 by 2 to cancel. So this is known as sin 45 and the answer is 1 by root 2 because sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So this can be applied, this question. Now suppose the question is given 2 cos square 15 minus 1 and the question saying evaluate. The question is evaluate 2 cos square 15 minus 1. Since you know 2 cos square A minus 1, it's cos 2A. We have seen this formula. Just remember and write it so many times, frame it formula so that you can recall in the twinkling of second. So it is cos 2A. So it is cos 2. A means 15. This angle is A. So it is cos 30 and the cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Now, so these are the formula of cos 2A and sin 2A. Similarly, the formula of tan 2A, very important formula, tan 2A, tan 2A, 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. This is the formula of tan 2A. Do not get confused since sin 2A formula is 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. This is the formula of sin 2A when denominator contain plus. And it is the formula of tan 2A, denominator contain minus. Tan 2A is 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A. This is the formula of tan 2A, very important formula, and this is the formula of sin 2A. After that, there is a formula of sin 3A. The formula of sin 3A, 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. This is a formula of sin 3A. So if the question is saying If sine A is 1 by 3, find sine 3A. So please see, the angle A is given and the question saying sine 3A. So if we know this formula sine 3A is 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. Since sine is given 1 by 3, so put it here 1 by 3 minus 4 into 1 by 27, 3 cube 27. So 27 minus it's given 24 by 27. So this is the result of sine 3A. Again, the formula of cos 3A. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. This is the formula of cos 3A, and next is tan 3A. So it is 3 tan A minus tan cube A upon 1 minus 3 tan square A. This is the formula. Tan 3A is 3 tan A minus tan cube A upon 1 minus 3 tan square A. Now let's see some more result. If the question is given in this manner, 8 cos cube 20 minus 4 cos 20, and the question is saying evaluate, find the value. This is given 6 cos 20, 8 cos cube 20 minus 6 cos 20, and the question is saying evaluate. Since 20 is not a standard angle, we don't know the value of 20 degree, and if you see, it is coming is cube, it is coming power 1. So 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. If you see this formula, it is coming 8, it is coming 6. We need 4 and we need 3. When we take 2 is common, so it becomes 4 cos cube 20 minus 3 cos 20. So it's framing a formula. This angle is taken as A. If suppose this is taken as A, formula become 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. It is known as cos 3A. So it is cos 3. A means 20. So it become cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So answer become 1. So very important, very important of this multiple and submultiple formulas. Please revise. Do it so many times. Recall the formula many times. Write it and understand it is given 3A. It is coming A and A. When 2A is given, how to convert 2A, 4A, 6A. Write it in own way. Write it 12A, sine 12A. It means what? 2 sine 6A, cos 6A. So please, again I repeat, recall this formula, write it down 2, 3, 4 times so that it can be stored in your brain. Now, giving the MCQ questions, please solve. Thank you very much for today's class.